Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Infiniti Q50 Sport that we have for sale. This one was just retired from our loaner car service fleet. So at one time it was a brand new vehicle. We plucked it out of our new vehicle inventory and put it in loaner car service, so it was loaned out to our Infiniti service customers. One of the benefits of purchasing a new Infiniti or certified pre-owned Infiniti is you get complimentary service loaner cars for extended service visits. Basically, we keep them in service loaner care or service loaner service for about a year, then we retire it. This one only has 8,841 miles. In beautiful condition. It's been in our care its whole life. This one features a sport package, and 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got a number of upgrades and revisions. You have a little bit different design on the interior, different shifter design, different steering wheel design. They add this kind of a synthetic leather and contrast stitching to the dashboard for a little bit more of a premium feel. With the sport package, you get extra bolstering in the seats to hold you in place during performance driving, steering wheel paddle shifters, sport tune suspension. This one also features a navigation system, as well as a 360-degree around view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear parking sensors. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. This one also has heated seats. Heated steering wheel comes in very nice on those cold days. It's actually kind of chilly now, and I have those on and it feels rather nice. We have a adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. This one also has forward emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot warning. This Q50 is certified pre-owned, so you get all the benefits you normally get with a new Infiniti. It also comes with a lifetime powertrain warranty from us. That's something extra that we do on select pre-owned Infinitis and all our new Infinitis. And that lifetime warranty is good at any Infiniti store. Doesn't have to just be brought to us. Also, with the sport package, you get a little bit more of aggressive wheel and tire package, and for 2018 we have a new design for the LA wheels. These 5-spoke 5-star triple spoke design looks really nice. You also get larger brakes for the sport package. Really nice color combination, white on black. I love white, such an easy color to take care of. This one also has the upgraded leather seating package, which comes standard with the sport package. 2018, they also revised the rear taillight design. You also get this body colored underbody diffuser. Pretty cool feature. It's kind of a slight, very slight feature that they added, but it looks really nice. This one also has all-season mats, rear cargo protector. Also features intelligent all-wheel drive. Obviously, look at the roads, they're pretty slick. We have to deal with wet, slippery roads for a good part of our lives in the Pacific Northwest, so that intelligent all-wheel drive will really come in handy for driving in wet, slippery conditions and for greatly improving your wet weather performance. With 300 horsepower, it's really hard to break, it's really easy actually to break the rear wheels loose. So with all-wheel drive, it just grips and goes for non-slip starts. You can just smash in the gas, no tire slip, this thing just takes off. And it's intelligent because it gives you 100% rear-wheel drive power during normal driving conditions for the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car, but can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels almost instantly when driving conditions need the extra grip. Also, the sport package, you have a little bit more aggressive looking front fascia. For 2018, they added this nice little contrast in the bottom. You have those graphite accents. Really nice. I like the way that looks. And of course, we have the new VR30 twin turbo V6, 300 horsepower. Come in, take it for a drive. I think you'll be very impressed. And thanks for taking the time today to watch this video.